Researching the market for a 2011 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle. A low odometer reading is a great benefit amongst many others with this vehicle, with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.